Kikin hun jong kisan Seng, kin pelong ya kajing Shong kalan mongor hajan umat Kiang Nangbah Civil Hospital, panpen pao kajing Sngewlem, ya kitu kipala Shah Siat yap Mukroh West Jande Hills batah kajogapor, kin pelong kajing thang mamti hakapor lai beje jan me jong sing pelai. Kini kisan Seng kikin thup ya Khasi Student Union KSU, Riboy Youth Federation RBYF, Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People FKJGP, Jantia Students Union JSU, bat kahinyau terem National Youth Federation. Habakran cekilap thai khubon haka aflai terik unai weng ujanal Sekretari ubat Donald Thaba ulaong banang ni syakmat kan sudan kejinge ki kabam tere ya tere langshu bar ulah kerpat ya kipat khasi bakim dei banai tere ha kasing thodiang.
We are having this meeting today because we have seen what had happened not only yesterday but many a times in the border areas. So for us, enough is enough. We have been made scapegoat in the border conflict between Assam and Meghalaya. So we have decided to organize a series of agitations in order to protest, in order to express our solidarity with the victims and also to vent out our anger, our voice towards the two governments for their lackadaisical attitude towards the helpless villages, the resident villages in the Meghalaya border, whereby we have also seen that Assam and high-handedness had been occurring from time to time. We want this to stop, and for this we have organized a black flag program today, and tomorrow we will be organizing a sit-in solidarity in Kiang Nangbah near Civil Hospital in Barik Point, whereby all the public are invited so that we can hear the speeches from the different leaders, from the residents of those affected areas, and we can also voice our demands towards the government of Meghalaya, the government of Assam, and the government of India. After tomorrow, we will organize a non-cooperation movement whereby we will appeal to all the government servants to refrain from attending their offices day after yesterday in all the 7 districts of Meghalaya.
The act that has been done by the police of Assam, it is very condemnable. It's the act of cowardice, in which have led to the loss of 5 of innocent life. So this kind of incident is not the first time, but it has been, from time to time. Which, when we recall back, it was in the year 2010 or so, in which the incidents had occurred in Nangbah. So that's why we are taking this stringent action or programs, which will be started tomorrow. So we do hope that this kind of incident will not be happen anymore within our community. And what we have is that the things which happened yesterday, it is due to the negligence of the state government. Actually, from time to time, we as an NGOs, we always apprise about the problems faced by our people in the border areas. But we feel why the government always take it lightly with regards to these issues. So whatever things happened yesterday, it is due to the negligence of the government, which have led to the loss of 5 innocent lives of our people.